Hey everyone, Mike McConville here again, Stratford, Ontario, Canada for String Tech Workstations. Got two guitars in today. Both of these are Jonathan's guitars. He dropped three off. These are two of the three. There's a Squire Strat, which is going to get a full setup, 9 to 46 at concert pitch, and we're going to set that trem to float. And we have this parts caster that I kind of put together for him about 5 years ago, and that's sort of Bigsby setup. That's got a lace sensor in the bridge, and I believe, I'm just looking at the wiring there, from what I remember, I think it's a Kinman pickup in the neck position. So we're going to give that kind of the once over and get both guitars up and running for Jonathan. I don't have a lot of beefs. My customers are fantastic. All the YouTube guys are great, and now of course my Patreon people as well. But one thing that I need to make a point about, if you're bringing your Strat into your guitar tech or your pro shop or whoever sets up your guitars, if it's a Strat with a tremolo system, make sure you remember the tremolo bar. You need to be able to utilize the bar to guarantee that all the notes come back to center after you use it. So if you don't bring the bar in, it's like dropping your car off to the mechanic with a wheel missing. So I have my surrogate tremolo bar. This is the steel leg off a divider. I kind of push that foam on there. It allows me to sort of use this universally. Really should not have to do this, but I'm going to demonstrate now. This Strat has been done. Very tricky fret dress. There's all kinds of spots all over the neck that needed to be dressed. Compensated nut. It's set up to float, so it's 9 to 46 strings at concert pitch. So I can get the tuner out now and I'll sort of demonstrate just how accurate even a Stratocaster guitar with a floating bridge, that can be in tune. This is how the note should come back to center every time. This is just a stock trem, no locking nut. It's just a Squire Strat, okay? Seeing as I don't have the bar, I'm going to have to do Strat straight up, no bar. It's kind of like a C minor Latin blues ballad, I guess you'd call it. And it starts with C minor 9 to F minor 9, back to C minor 9, to D minor, on that G7 sharp 9. We're going to try something a little bit different this time, kind of utilizing the interval of a sixth. So we're going to be in C minor like you just heard, and we're going to start maybe layering a little bit with the sixths over top of the chord progression. Let that play, and I'm going to experiment kind of sliding sixths over top of that. And that sort of sounds like this. So that's kind of the idea behind sixths. In this case, we're kind of using them in a minor context. Of course, sixths are also a big part of kind of R&B stuff, where you got this. that about wraps it up for this Strat. Squire Strat. Kind of one more way you can check your tuning.